Pakistan stands resilient in the face of challenges. While some forces try to spread fear and falsehoods, the ground reality tells a different story, one of determination, strength, and progress. Today, we set the record straight on the security situation in Balochistan. A coordinated disinformation campaign is being amplified by Afghan-based social media accounts. These accounts are falsely portraying the security situation in Balochistan as critical. Their claims are baseless and deliberately aimed at creating panic among the people. But here is the ground reality, backed by official data. The security environment in Balochistan remains under effective control. In 2025 alone, security forces conducted 58,778 intelligence-based operations in Balochistan, out of 75,175 nationwide, systematically targeting and dismantling militant networks. Security forces neutralized 784 terrorists in Balochistan throughout 2025. In early 2026, targeted actions, including Operation Rad-ul-Fitna 1, eliminated over 216 high-value militants. These operations have significantly degraded the leadership, command structures, and logistics of groups such as the BLA. There is no credible evidence of soldiers abandoning their posts. Such claims are nothing but recycled propaganda designed to mislead the public and undermine confidence in our forces. As operational pressure on terrorist groups intensifies, they and their online amplifiers are increasingly relying on misinformation. Isolated attacks on soft targets do not reflect strength. They clearly reflect desperation. The brave people of Balochistan continue to reject violence and stand united with the nation, while security efforts and development projects move forward hand in hand. Always remember to verify your sources. Disinformation spreads fastest through coordinated, anonymous networks. Facts matter. Ground realities matter more. Pakistan Zindabad.